Hello students, today let us learn the topic rounding numbers. In many instances, exact numbers are not necessary or even desirable. At such time, approximations are given. This is the situation when a rounding number helps us. Let us look at an example to understand it in a better way. 16,718 students from Nainital attended a camp, while 15,120 students from Delhi attended the camp. Now, here we can round these figures to the nearest thousand. Now, and say that 17,000 students from Nainital attended the camp and 15,000 students from Delhi attended this camp. We round numbers to get estimates of length, expenses, distance, and etc. Or even to find some difference, product, or quotient. Now let us learn rounding numbers to the nearest 10. For that we need to follow two simple steps. Step 1. Look at the digit to the right of tens place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. Step 2. Change the digit to the right of tens place to 0. Change the digit to the right of tens place to 0. For example, round the number 326 to the nearest 10. So step 1, look at the digit to the right of tens place. Right of tens place is the ones place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. Yes, it is more than 5, so we will add 1 to the tens place. It will be 3. Next step, change the digit to the right of tens place to 0. Rounding the number 326 to the nearest 10 is 330. 326 is the nearest of 330. So few examples here, round off these numbers to the nearest 10. First step, right side of the tens place, which is ones place. If it is more than 5 or 5, add 1 to the tens place. Yes, it is more than 5, so we will add 1 here and change the ones place to 0. Like this, the second example, right to the tens place, this is ones place, it is smaller than 5. So we will not change the tens place, it will remain as it is. Answer will be 710. The third number 8950, right to the tens place, which is ones place. It is 0 again, smaller than 5, so we will not change the digit at the tens place. Last 59, 9 is greater than 5, so add 1 to the tens place, which is 60. Now let us learn rounding the numbers to the nearest 100. Step 1. Look at the digit to the right of the 100 place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the 100 place. Then the second step, change all the digits to the right of 100 place to the 0. Example, round off 7358 to the nearest 100. So step 1, look at the digit to the right of 100 place. This is 100 place, right of 100 place, tens place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the 100 place. So it will be 474. Second step, change all the digits to the right of 100 place to 0. Right of 100 place, tens and ones. These two places will be 0. Next example. $15,276. Look at the right to the 100 place, which is tens place. Tens place is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 100 digit. Second step, change all the digits to the right of 100 place to 0. So two places are there, tens and ones. Now rounding the numbers to the nearest 1000. The same step we'll follow. This time we'll look at the digit to the right of 1000 place, which will be 100th place. If the 100 place is greater than 5 or 5, change or add 1 to the 1000 place and change all the digits to the right of 1000 place to 0. For example, 5927. So first step, look at the right of 1000 place, which is 1 tens 100,000, which is 100 place. If this place is greater than 5, if this digit is greater than 5, add 1 to the 1000 place. So yes, it is greater than 5, it will be 6. Now the second step, change all the digits to the right of 1000 place to 0. Right of 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, ones place. 3 places are there. So all the places changes to 0. Like this, 18,126. 100 place, which is smaller than 5. So we will not change the 1000 place. It will be as it is, and change all the digits to the right of 1000 place to 0. 100 tens ones will be 0. Like this for 10,000 also. Look at the digit to the right of 10,000 place, which will be 1000 place. If the place is 5, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the 10,000 place. Second, change all the digits to the right of 10,000 place to 0. Example, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Right to be 10,000, 1,000 places there. If this place is 5 or greater than 5, yes, this digit is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to this place, which will be 10, and change all the digit to the right of 10,000 place to 0. Right of 10,000 place, 1,000, 100, tens ones, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Next example. One lakh 24,612. Write to the 10,000 place which is smaller than 5. So we will not change 10,000 place. It will be as it is. Now change all the digits to the right of 10,000 place to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in general, the rule is look at the digit to the right of rounding place. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the rounding place. Second step, change all the digits to the right of rounding place to 0. So this is the general rule for rounding off. One more example to understand it in a better way. Round off 12 crore 39 lakh 72,598 to the nearest tens, 100, lakh and crore. At first nearest 10, write to the tens. Ones place is there which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to tens place. Add 1 to the tens place. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry 6. It will be 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 2, 6, 0. And change the digit to the right of tens place to 0. This is ones place, one more 0. Second nearest 100. The same step will follow. Right to the 100, tens place is there which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 2, 6. And tens and ones will be changes into 0. Next, nearest lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Right to the lakh, 10,000, which is 7, greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the lakh place, which is again 9. Add 1 here, this is 40. So 12, 4, 0. And change all the digits to the right of lakh place to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places will be changes into 0. Next, crore. Nearest crore. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Crore is 2. Right to the crore, 10 lakh. This place is less than 5. This digit is less than 5. So we will not change crore place. And change all the digits to the right of crore place to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the answers. So the topic rounding numbers is very interesting, and I hope the video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much.